In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download the right free sticker maker app on your Android smartphone. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, so to install or to download this free sticker maker app, we need to go ahead and look for this app through Google Play Store. I'll go ahead and go to my Play Store here, and from Play Store go ahead and search for your app using the search option here, or if you can see this top bar, go ahead and tap on search icon here and just search by words, and then you can launch the search using this. And we have here this option, animated sticker maker. So if you tap on it, this is the right app. Make sure it is from Memento Apps niche, and at the time of recording this, it has over a 4.4 star rating with over 196,000 reviews, and the current file size is around 21 MBs, and you can see it has over 10 million downloads. And this is the iconic symbol for this app. To install it, go ahead and tap on install, and this will go ahead and download the latest version of this animated sticker maker app and then install it on your smartphone. Once the app has been installed, you can proceed and tap on open to start using it, or you can go now to your apps, and here you can see your free sticker maker app is available. So you can launch it from here and sign up or start using directly on your Android smartphone. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.